truffles is served as a petit course. Let's check the ingredients. For a chocolate truffle, we require 400 gram dark chocolate, 200 gram fresh cream, 40 gram hazelnut paste, 20 gram hazelnut orange zest, and 40 ml orange juice. First, heat the cream. Turn off the heat and add cream to the chocolate. After mixing, divide ganache into parts. One part, add orange zest and orange juice. Mix it. Add chocolate hazelnut paste and mix it. Both truffle mix is ready. Need to cool down in room temperature. After cool down, wrap it with the plastic wrap. Keep this mix for 2 hours minimum in the fridge. Student, this is the orange flavored truffle. Use ice cream scooper. Just drop the portion of chocolate truffle on the chip. This is a hazelnut truffle. Just scoop it, drop it on After 15 minutes, take a ball, dip into the white chocolate, cover it, and take out. After dipping in white chocolate, just garnish with the orange flavored chocolate. For hazelnut truffle, add some chopped hazelnut in the dark chocolate. Mix it. And dip this chocolate very well. Garnish with white chocolate. It's time for presentation. Arrange truffle in paper cup. Our chocolate truffle is ready to serve.